Everything is connected. From the vastness of the galaxies to the smallest speck of dust. Our world exists in paradoxes. A world so big, yet so tiny. Boundless, yet confined within the reach of our perceptions. Earth, a pale blue dot floating in an infinite void, is where every war has been fought, every love story has bloomed, and every breath has been taken. To the universe, we are microscopic, insignificant, yet to us, this world is everything. Our everything. Within a single drop of water lives a universe of its own. Microorganisms, invisible to the naked eye, are locked in their own struggles, triumphs, wars and ecosystems. To them, we are the universe, too massive to comprehend, too distant to reach. It's a game of scales. The world is as big or as small as you choose to see it. The leaf is part of the tree is part of the forest is part of the planet is part of the cosmos. And yet, all of it exists, in your mind. We measure time to make sense of the chaos. But does time really exist? Is it just a construct, a way we make the infinite comprehensible? In the quantum world, particles can exist in two places at once. Cause and effect blur. Nothing makes sense, and yet, everything does make sense. In this tiny grain of sand, entire worlds may exist, worlds we cannot see, dimensions we can never touch. The tiny big world, finite and infinite. Our perceptions, our imaginations, are we just a speck of dust in someone else's universe? Is the entire universe just a speck in ours? The answer lies in the paradox.